Hello friends, I am Rishikesh. Yesterday I made this plane and now today we will make a different plane. So let's start our making plane. If you want to make this plane, take A4 size page. First, fold these both corners. And then open. Then fold it till this line. And take and fold this and fold it here. And then fold like this. And then keep here one finger and then fold like this. And then do same step again. Then fold like this. Press from here. And from middle. And then fold like this. Fold till this line to here. And press. Do same step again. And then fold like this. And do same step again. Our plane is ready. Our plane is ready.